Good day, my friends. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to add a clean logo to your Shopify store. So this is the quickest way to build trust with buyers and make sure your brand is memorable. So first, you just need to navigate to your admin dashboard. This is where I am now. And then we have this little menu on the left. So you just need to navigate to your online store and then click on themes. If you don't have themes, that's fine, just be here. And then you can just click edit theme next to the active theme you're using. Click here and just wait for the editor to load. Right, and now in the sidebar menu, you can just select header. In my case, it's right over here, header, and click directly on theme settings and then logo. The other way is going to here and then choosing, let me see, what do we have? Logo and favicon right over here. So guys, I would actually say that the cleaner way of adding a logo is actually, why did it bring me back here? It's actually through the settings and not through the header. It's a little bit more burdensome here, so I just recommend going to the settings. All right, so just click on logo and favicon, and in here under the default logo, you can just press select, click here. And in here, as you can see, I already have, also including this funny picture, I have 2 pictures here. If you don't have any, just click add files and add them. If not, just choose if you already have one uploaded. Okay, as you can see now, default logo is uploaded. And now just save and look at that. Now our logo is updated, and people that will actually visit your website will see this logo when they see you on Google, which is pretty awesome. That is it. Like and subscribe as always. See you next time.